wanted to create a space that was very stimulating for the children, very different and unusual for them visually, and in terms of tactile, you know, the tactility of the materials we use is different from conventional materials. They can be made very similar, but also in places we've tried to allow them to be different. And the idea is to give them a rich environment that actually gives them other examples of the way these things can be used in the environment in useful ways and constructive ways. Essentially, you take an empty plastic bottle and you start pushing bits of litter into it, any inorganic materials, so nothing that's going to biodegrade. And as you get more and more in there, you then start compacting it with a stick or a piece of steel bar, and you just keep on adding material to it and compacting it until you can't physically get any more in. You put the cap on and the brick is ready for use. We used eco-bricks because they allow us to rapidly form an earth or cement wall. In this case, we used earth. And it allowed us to use waste materials to take up space in the wall where we would otherwise have had to use either more cob or cement or different types of bottles, different materials to fill it in. So from the building perspective, they help us to create a wall quickly with using less structural material. And in terms of the environmental agenda, it helps us to collect a lot of litter, basically is what goes inside an eco-brick, and sequester it. We're storing it, locking it away in a wall, and getting it out of the environment.